In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to duplicate a sequence in Premiere Pro. So why should we duplicate rather than just copy it? For example, I got this nested sequence in here, and if I hold my Alt key and then drag it to make another copy of it, and then if I go to it, double click on it and make, just for the sake of it, some changes to it, and I want the changes to be just affecting my second one, which is here, and then I go back to this, I realize that my original one is also affected. That's why we want to duplicate. So press Ctrl Z to undo, right click on the sequence that you want to duplicate, and then simply click on Reveal in Project. Then it opens in the project panel, then simply right click on it there and then click on Duplicate. As you can see, it has changed its name, and now if I drag and drop it in here, and if I go and double click on it, if I do the same thing and go back to here, you can see this is changed and this stayed the same.